Umintri ka sarkar jala Ban Sanbor shlai hakashpau trik naitung ula Pynrem jor ya ka jing pyrshah jong ka seng Voice of the People Party VPP ya ka jingwan jong umintri rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma sharilum jaintya banya don benta ha ka lehniam Behdienkhlam da ka baong ba ka ni ka jingle jong ka party kalongkum ka jingle ran bat ka bam dan nongrim. Himanta ulawan sha ka ni ka jingle niam ha juai ha khandai trik nai tung kum unong sha khot sngoba ha ka sen ra juai kum ukong san. Nisngo ja buram shibun ba ka party pra VPP kala pyrshah ya ka jingwan jong menteri rangba ka Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kum ukong san ban sakhi ya ka jingle niam Behdienkhlam jong ki jat riu benar. Ngaru ngalaya don lang ha ketika singi ong Ban Sanbor. Ban Sanbor ula ong ru baka jing persyang penyasok jong ko VPP ya ka jingwan jong Himanta sya ka jinglet niam bat ka kam ya ka japut ka dei ke babakla shibun. Kalong ka basngau samut bagi keno ba Himanta uday ban penbet iki kam ya ka japut. Kani ka jingwan ka jong u kam dan jinga dei ru bat ka kam ya ka japut ula ong. Kino ki riu shimen kiseng bhalang ni kiseng san perthei kidong lai luit ban kran halor kino ki man bat baro ki artali ki sarkar Henry ka jing penyaso ya ka jing let niam kalong ka babakla shibun namar kam dan satya ka no ka jinga dei bat ka kam ya ka japut ula benram umintri ula ongru ha ka baya dei bat ki kam khaput kila don ki komiti ki balat hau da ka sarkar bal ada ki don ka no ka jing a jingmon ni jing pyrshah ki dei ban ai da ka jing tho sha ka sarkar ni ka komiti Nisngo samut baka seng san perthei kum ka pra kala kran ni ki bakum kini ki aka ka bamla satya ban pedang da ki pai ba ka jela ong Ban Sanbor.
We feel so embarrassed with, that the PRA, the party PRA, they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Pnar community, the Behdienkhlam. Yesterday, I was also with him on other deputy chief minister, local MLA. We are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Pnar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sindraj, Joai, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Pnar Behdienkhlam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestion, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of our state.